Hello folks, we're Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technology. A quick video here on our proprietary race feature and our picture-in-picture charts. Start with picture-in-picture charts. So, really handy tool for traders. I've got two time frames put together here, daily and a weekly. Gives me an idea where the stock's been, possibly where it can head. Just really makes and simplifies things when we're looking at our charts. Second, our proprietary race scanning feature here, I have what we call a relative strength from the open scan. It's something I've created. It's customizable, shareable. You can start one from scratch yourself even. Left side is going to be live data. It's things that are moving now relatively strong to the open. A few things that are programmed behind the scenes there. You're a subscriber or you're looking to subscribe and share that with you. We could dig into that together. So we've got something like PWM here. It's leading this race, just won, and it comes to the top on the next race here. And we can see it's making a break, high of the day. That strength that's coming in, the volume that's coming in here to close out the day. Max N is another one here. Something similar here. It's after a bit of a sell-off and a pullback from an early move, starting to move up. Second part of this here, we have a watch list that's created on the right side. Essentially, this is our finish line. And we have these races timed. Again, it's customizable. So I've got BTAI. It's 118 races on the day today. We can see it had a very nice move early in the day, climbing. PWM, we talked about 17 races. We could see that it won so many races throughout the day based on these massive moves that it's made, and it's making another huge move again here at the end of the day. We talked about Max N already, another one, APLD, another look here. Just moving throughout the early part of the day before starting to give it up. But these things are in focus. They may or may not come alive later on in the day again, but it's a great watch list, a narrow set of data for us to look at, and it really helps us stay focused. We can see some real nice things that came through this scan today. Is every day like this with a scan? Of course not, right? But it's giving us a narrow set of view, quality data for us to find those kinds of setups that we're looking for here in the market. Again, as always, if you like what you saw, come visit us, trade-ideas.com, start a live chat, pick our brains, see what we're about. Looking forward to see you there.